Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I'd just like to let you guys know that we're on the road to 25,000 subscribers before December 25th. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button right now and turn your post notification bell on, because if we get to 25,000 subscribers by December 25th, I will be doing a Christmas giveaway. Not only that, but I have a extra special announcement coming sometime between November and December 25th. I will be making an extra special announcement that I know each and every one of you guys who love to watch the Moments by Boothe YouTube channel will absolutely love. And it is going to be alive and you don't want to miss it. All you have to do to know when that's going to be coming out is to hit the subscribe button and turn your post notification bell on, so you can see when I put out that link or that video setup for the live that I'm going to do for that special extra special announcement that will help each and every one of you guys that watch and have supported my YouTube channel from the jump. Anyway, today I'm in Silver Sand Estates, courtesy of Jamaica Sotheby's International Realty, and we're about to look at not one but two uniquely designed properties. The first one is very artsy, I love it, and the other, which I'm going to do in another video, is going to be more of a luxurious villa style. But yeah, when I don't know the runnings already, enough of the chattings, I know I'm ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Okay, so this is the first property and it is a really nice 4-bedroom. It is being sold for 1.5 million US, negotiable. This is the details for the realtor that is listing it, so you can reach out to her. KYMONIA. So it has really nice landscaping on the outside. You have a nice little grill on that side, a nice stone path, and this is the artsy home. So One Love is right here. Just step in, One Love, and you will see that there are a lot of artwork on the inside. But we'll go into the first bedroom first so you can check it out. Turn on the light. So this is the first bedroom. It is a vintage style home. A lot of the homes in this particular area were built long ago, and this is one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in Jamaica. And again, you guys already know to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell on. This is the bathroom for this first bedroom off the entry. And then you have this nice open space right here. The rain came down, so it is a bit dark. But I hope you guys are getting a feel of how beautifully designed this space is. So this is the second bedroom. Still artsy, still very unique. A lot of antique furniture. Some probably even predate my existence. Beautiful. From these windows, you get a view of the side yard and the staircase that lead to the roof. And there's a really nice viewing point from there. I'll show you guys some drone shots. So this is the bathroom. See if we can hit the lights. That's it. Beautiful, beautiful. So you know it has ventilation coming through. And this is the primary bedroom. Pretty nice. And because the pool is right here, you get this nice waterfall effect coming through, and that must be very peaceful and nice when you're inside your home sleeping. Boom. Voila. It's nice full mirror. Closet space. And you have the his and hers vanity. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Vintage style shower. And this home predates myself, as I was saying, but it still has a really nice feel, a really nice look and feel. Let me give you a look of this space once more, and then show you guys some of the artwork that is here. So let's start right here. Unfortunately, the artwork isn't being sold with the home. That would have been truly spectacular. So let's come into the dining area, and this is a one-of-a-kind piece. Turn my lights off. So there was actually no window there, but because an artist who stayed here, who designs murals or windows like these, stayed here, he wanted to do something and the homeowner allowed him to. It's really nice dining leading out to here. You can open this door, which sends you out to the outside pool area, and then you have a nice open concept with these white pane windows. And then downstairs, or right here, you have the kitchen area, and down here is the fourth bedroom and the staff quarters. You have the laundry area right here, and then the staff quarters is right here. Moving along, there is a nice area outside. You have fruit trees, you have banana, mangoes, so on and so forth, and then you have an access point for staff to come down through here and enter right here. Beautiful garden around the back. And then this is an additional storage area. You store your linen and whatever else you'd like to store. And here's the final bedroom. And there is additional space that you can build on 2 more bedrooms. The homeowner actually started that, but that particular section is incomplete. Again, you have really nice art running right throughout. So we're gonna head back upstairs now, and I'm going to show you guys the pool area and then do a cutaway of what the roof looks like from some drone shots. All right, so Akeem out. So this right here is the pool area. As you can see, it's up to 6 feet deep. So basically, I can't swim, so I won't go in that. I won't be jumping off today. And this is a nice runoff into that. And then from up above, you get a really nice view of the Caribbean Sea. So this is actually a stone path that takes you to the staircase that leads you to the roof. I'm so sad it's raining, but luckily I got the drone shots before the rain came down, so you can see how beautiful it is from this vantage point. And again, this is going for US $1.5 million, but it is negotiable. That has been it for another Moments by Boothe video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I shoot one of these property tours for you. All you have to do to help me or support me in my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022 and to get to that mark of 25,000 subscribers by December 25th is to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification on. But that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.